Hey there, got my 1997 F350 Ford Power Stroke. Just gonna show you a cold start. As you can see, we got snow on the ground. It's still winter here, and I can guarantee you that I haven't started this truck today. So let's give it a shot. There's the glow plug light over there. And once again, it's not plugged in, hasn't been plugged in overnight at all. I usually wait about 20 seconds after the glow plug light goes out. I don't cycle them. Starts right up. I do have a 6-chip revolver tuner on here, so for rapid warm-up, you can get it to rev up. There you go.